How do you find hope when it feels like you're running out of time? When you see everyone else around you getting married, you see your friends, people you know having families, and you feel like your opportunity is coming to a close. To have the family, to have the relationship that you want, either because your biological clock is ticking or maybe because you just feel like you're too old. It's like there's an hourglass, and inside that hourglass is your opportunity for love, and it's running out. And you feel this suffocating pressure on you that you have to create this, because if you don't, you will lose that opportunity forever, and you will never have the joy, never have the love, never have the happiness that you've been dreaming about or longing for in your life. How do you find hope in those moments? I was talking to a client of mine this week, and she was deep in this state, 38 years old, and just petrified that she would never find the love of her life. Feeling like she's been doing everything that she knows how to do to attract this man into her life. And she's like, I feel like I'm rushing. I'm scared that it will never happen. How do you find hope in those moments? And so we looked at the hard truth. And the hard truth is that we live in a universe where like attracts like, where you are vibrating right now. You have a major dominant vibration. That point of attraction, your vibration, will attract to it everything that is harmonious with your vibration. What does that mean? That means if we're in a state of fear, meaning hurry, lack, rush is a state of fear. If we're in this state of fear because we feel like time's running out, then we're in a state of scarcity. We're in a state of not having. And if you're in a vibration of not having, then the universe organizes itself and brings to you opportunities, circumstances, and people that align with not having. And so if we want to actually have the relationship, if you want to have the family, have the relationship, have the life that you love, you have to be in harmony. You have to be actually start by generating a vibration that's aligned with having the life that you love. And that is not easy to do when you're feeling fear. It's not easy to do when you're feeling scarcity. It's not easy to do when you're feeling doubt and worry like this might never happen. What you have to do is move to a vibration of love and a vibration of having the relationship and the family that you want. And that vibration, that feeling tone is what? It's actually gratitude. It's love and gratitude. That move going from scarcity, fear, doubt to love and gratitude magnetizes you and attracts all things that are harmonious with love and gratitude. That's where you end up manifesting your man. That's where you end up attracting the relationship. But it's very hard to do when you've got this massive desire for the relationship you want. Believe me, I know when we hold that desire for the relationship we want with a clenched hand, we say, I must have this, I have to go for this, then what happens is that actually ignites suffering in us. Like the Buddhists say, attachment is the root of all suffering. The move we have to make in order to move from fear into love and gratitude is to actually open our hands and hold the desire for the relationship you want. Hold the desire for the family you want. Hold the desire for the life that you want, that you're longing for, with an open hand. And the affirmation is this. It is this or something even better still. Holding the desire you want with an open hand versus a clenched fist actually takes surrendering. It's a move of surrender, saying, you know what? You believe in a higher power. You believe that there is a divine presence that's living and moving and having its being through you as you. And there is an amazing plan in store for you. There's an amazing journey in store for you. And so yes, you would love this relationship. Yes, you would love this family. And you're willing to surrender to the greater plan. You're willing to surrender yourself to this magnificent journey that your divine presence, the divine power that lives and moves and has its being as you, has in store for you. You're willing to surrender to that. And when you move to that, it allows you to break free from the chains of the stress, to break free from the chains of the worry and the doubt and the hurry, and actually opens your energy up to the gratitude of the moment. You can be free to love and give in this moment. You can be free to have even more higher levels of gratitude for what you have in your life. And the irony is that when you move from this fear to gratitude, when you move from this fear to love, and I have actually something that will support you in doing this that I'll share with you in just a moment. When you move from that, everything changes. There was a client of mine, 38 years old, in this state of fear, in this state of constriction, decided, you know what, I'm going to move from holding it with a clenched fist to holding it with an open hand and say, I would love this or something even better still. And within a very short period of time, she ended up manifesting her man. They got married. They had a little girl, and now she's living the life that she absolutely loved. But she had to move out of the lower vibration and claim for herself a vibration of love and gratitude. And so to help you do that, I've created a gift for you. It's a very powerful gift. It's a self-love activation process that actually puts you in the vibration of love and gratitude. And it comes with a meditation and an affirmation ebook. You're going to love this. It's no cost. It's a gift from me to you. So I'll link it in this video, link it in the description. Go ahead and click that link. You can claim that tool, and it will help move you from fear to gratitude. But remember this. You can have anything that you're willing to become a match for in your life. And I know some of you are thinking, I've tried this, I've done this, and I haven't manifested, and it's not working. The hard truth is, if our life doesn't reflect it, then we're not in that vibration. Most of the time, we're staying in a low-level vibration. You have to harness and anchor your major dominant vibration is love and gratitude. And when you do that, amazing things happen. Because here's what I know. I know that you live in a universe that loves you, empowers you, supports you, and delights to see you and your soul expand in this world. And so hold the vision that you have. Hold it with an open hand and attract it into your life. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.